In this video, we will be looking at a brief overview of some of the Google apps that you may want to incorporate into your classroom. The first app we will be looking at is Google Docs. So Google Docs is an app that is used to create documents such as letters, papers, and reports. So on every slide that we go through in this video, for each app there will be an image of what the app looks like when you first pull up the home page. So here on the bottom of the slide, you can see the Google Docs homepage when you first open the app. So when you enter into the app, you have the option to start a new document, a blank one, or you can choose from any of the templates in the template gallery that they offer you. You can have like a letter template, a resume, a report, whatever you're wanting to work on. And then towards the bottom of the home page, you can see the recent documents that you've been working on, and you can go back in them and begin editing them as well. The next app is Google Sheets. Google Sheets is an app that is used to create spreadsheets, but you can also use it to create to-do lists, calendars, and schedules. So here's a look at the Google Sheets homepage when you first pull up the app. Just like in Google Docs, you have the option to create a blank document or choose from one of their templates. Here listed on the screen, you see that they have a to-do list template, budget templates, or the option to create a calendar. And then you can also go back into any of the recent documents you've been working on, and you can edit them, and you can also see the documents that have been shared with you by other people. So now let's take a look at the Google Meet app. Google Meet is an app that is used to hold video meetings. So if you ever used Zoom, it's very similar to that. So here in the image on the screen, you can see that this is what Google Meet looks like when you first pull up the app. You see the blue button which says New Meeting. That's where you can click to create your own meeting, and then you can share the link with other people if you want them to join. Or if someone has shared a meeting code or a link with you and you want to join their meeting, you can enter that code or link right there beside the New Meeting button, and then you can join in someone else's meeting as well. Let's talk a little bit about Google Jamboard, which is another app that you have access to through your Google account. Google Jamboard is an app where you can collaborate on an interactive whiteboard. So here on the screen, you can see this is the Google Jamboard homepage when you first open the app. If you want to create your own new Jamboard, you can press the plus sign at the bottom right side of the homepage, and that will take you to a blank whiteboard where you can begin working. If you want to enter into any of the recent jams that you've been working on, whether created by you or shared by others to you, then you can just click on any of the options there and it will take you to that Jamboard that you've been working on. So as you can see in the images, Jamboard allows you to enter little post-it note images where you can type on those. You can enter text, you can draw, you can add images. It gives you a lot of options, and it's a great app that you can use to collaborate with others on a project.